mga contractor o kaya ay may koneksyon sa contractor. Yan ang alegasyon ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste sa ilang appointee umano ni Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon sa DPWH. Nakuha daw niya ang impormasyon sa ilang sources sa Kamara pero inaming wala raw ibinigay na ebidensya para suportahan ang alegasyon. Tugon ni Secretary Dizon, agad niya itong aaksyonan. Nakatutok si Tina Panganiban Perez.
I am asking Secretary Vince Dizon to disclose any and all of his and his team's connections with current, past, or potential future contractors of DPWH projects.
Ito ang panawagan ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste kay Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon. May sources daw siyang nagsabing may appointee si Dizon sa DPWH na contractor umano.
I was told it's not just one. So I was told that appointees of Secretary Dizon are contractors.
May mga nagsabi rin daw sa kanyang may mga inappoint si Dizon na nanghihingi ng request sa mga contractor.
I was also told by another source that another one of Secretary Dizon's appointees has been asking requests from contractors already. So maybe Secretary Dizon can also check with all of his appointees, who are the contractors, if any, that they have met since their appointment and what they discussed in those meetings.
Nang tanungin kung sino ang sources niya, sagot ni Leviste, mga kapwa raw niya kongresista. Pero inamin niyang wala silang binigay na matibay na pruweba. Sa kalagitnaan ng presscon, nakatanggap ng tawag si Leviste.
As I said in the press con, I really don't know who's the contractor in your team, but if you can ask them and come clean to the public, then that would, I think, be a sign that there's real change now in DPWH.
Nang tanungin kung sino ang tumawag sa kanya, sagot ni Leviste,
You can derive from my conversation that he is from there and from DPWH, mataas.
tugon ni Secretary Dizon, aaksyonan niya ang mga inilahad ni Leviste.
Hindi ko papalampasin yan kahit anong pa yan. Pero sa pagkakaalam ko, no, dito sa mga undersecretaries, no, na ating inaya, wala sa kanilang kontraktor. Yun ang aking pagkakaalam. Pero ako po mismo, dahil sa report na ito, mag-iimbista na rin ako on my own about this. But I would really appreciate if Congressman Leviste could give me more specifics, if possible, names, no, and circumstances. And believe me, I will act on it.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Tina Panganiban Perez, nakatutok, 24 oras.